we are going to export or save as our shape file from geodetic to geographic coordinate system into projected coordinate system, which is UTM, Universe Transform Mercator. For that, we need to load one or two geographic coordinate system shape file here. We will drag two layers. Okay, now we will check by right click and properties and see the source. In the source tab, yeah, the geographic coordinate system is GCS WGS 1984. Okay, and another one, city administration. You see the properties, and yes, the same. All right, we will do the export or convert by right click here, point to data, export data, and there use the same coordinate system as this layer's source data. So the source data is geographic coordinate system, but we need to convert it to UTM 47N. Well, what about the data frame? Where can we get the data frame information of coordinate system? So just click cancel first. We will click here, view data frame properties, and here we can see it is still in GCS, and the code, the WKID code is 4326, which is GCS. Okay, for that we need to change this coordinate to UTM zone 47. UTM, just search here, zone 47 and hit search here. Okay, there it is. Oops. No, this is not right. Okay, if we fail to do search like this, then we need to use the manual exploration like this. This is geographic coordinate system or GCS. This is projected coordinate system or PCS, but we need to make it more specific by searching our zone. So here I live in, this data is Medan City in North Sumatra, Indonesia. So we will use this, okay, projected UTM WGS 1984 northern, because the location of the Medan City is above the equator line. So it is up, so up is north, and below the equator is south. So we will seek the 47N, and then there, this is 47N, which WKID is 32647. There. Okay, just apply. Okay, Now we will rename it first to copy the text of the layer here, copy, and right click, point to data, export data, and we point to our, okay, I will copy it first from my file explorer. Yeah, there, English file, UTM, and LV, oops, I'm sorry. Okay, I will type node network. Road network UTM 47N. And okay, don't forget to change the coordinate system as the data frame. Hit OK. And there, yes. Now let's check the properties of our new layers. Click properties. And there we have WGS 1984 UTM zone 47N. Okay, the project did go. And the last here, we will rename it first and copy the text. Right click again, data, export data. Don't forget to choose the data frame coordinate system. And here I will paste, and we rename it as UTM 47N and go. Go. Yes. Now let's check the coordinate system by properties and go. It's good. Okay. Thank you.